Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Bluehost affiliate payouts setup step by step clearly. To enable Bluehost affiliate payouts, start by logging into your Bluehost account. Once logged in, navigate to the top menu and click on the Marketplace option. Find and select Affiliate Program from the drop-down menu. You will be directed to the affiliate program page. If you haven't already, sign up for the affiliate program by clicking on the Join Now button. Fill out the required information in the registration form. Make sure to review and accept the terms and conditions before submitting your application. Once submitted, check your email for a confirmation message from Bluehost. Follow the instructions in the email to verify your affiliate account. After verification, log back into your Bluehost. Navigate to the affiliate dashboard using the top navigation. In the dashboard, locate the Payment Settings section. Click on Update Payment Information to set up your payout preferences. Choose your preferred payment method, whether it's through direct deposit or checks. Fill in the required details for your selected payment method. Double-check all information for accuracy before saving. Once everything is correct, click on the Save Changes button. You will receive a confirmation that your payment settings have been updated successfully. Now, you're ready to start promoting Bluehost and earning affiliate payouts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.